Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, lane keep assist, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated and ventilated front seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8647A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.